and you will make sure that this program is for your benefit. So, as we are waiting for other students, so I will just share the program with you all. So this program will start with welcome speech from one of our staff, colleagues, and then followed by the felicitation to our chief guest, guest of honor, and other dignitaries. And then after that, we'll get a speech from our madam, who is the Srimati D.W. Pakantin. And after that, we'll get a speech from Dr. I. Mautha, Principal of Nongson College. After that, we'll get a speech on menstrual hygiene and safe use of sanitary pads, health and well-being of a girl child. And after this, we'll get some exciting item, that is a song, will be given by our friends. And after that, we'll get a speech from our guest of honor. And then after that, we'll get a demonstration of the vending machines, which is our main program, okay, main event for today. And then we'll get inauguration of this sanitary parts vending machine. And after that, we'll get the speech from our chief guest, Shri Gabriel Baklang, who is our honorable MLA. And after that, we'll get again one special item. And after that, we'll get a word of thanks, and then a group picture, and after that, we'll get a refreshment.